Hey guys, Razor here from Viper RC. It's been a while, at least to say. Kind of switching gears, going from crawling to more drifting. Like I said before, I'll still do some crawling every here now and then, whatever. But now we're switching into drifting. And I mean, we're starting to get quite the collection. Not that you see anything over here, but there will be 2 more cars added to the family, as we call it. Speaking of, here comes, there's Bert. He's going to be building one of the brand new D5 from Sakura. Try to close the box a little bit here without looking like an idiot. And yeah, he's got the gyro already. I think he's using electronics from his old car. I'm not sure. And then I do believe the wife will be doing hers as well. So I'm going to set up the camera in time lapse. Let them go at it. Every once in a while I'll jump in and say a few things, see how the build's going. And other than that, it's just going to be film, 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 film. So have fun. Hope you enjoy. Brand new car. Alright guys, so they finished the diff. Looks pretty good.
4 hours later.
It's not 4 hours, but she's pretty stiff. Should be good. I don't know. It's yeah, it's pretty good. Anyway, let's get back into her. Alright guys, so I know I said I was going to do a build video, but in all honesty, man, I can't do them. They're so long and boring to watch. I can't even edit the damn thing. It's like, I just don't do build videos. Let's be honest. I love building them, don't get me wrong. I do a decent job of it, but I do not like putting out build videos. They are long, tedious, just not anything exciting for the viewers. But we did get DX5, or sorry, Sakura D5. I don't know why I said DX, I'm thinking Spectrum here. And I've already had my RMX 2.0 for a couple of months now. Love it, great car, works great. Interested to see on how this D5 works because it flows differently. We tried it in the garage. It's a little bit rougher terrain, so it actually sticks to the ground, but should be very interesting. Anyway, let's look at these cars and let's look at the differences and see what we got. First off, there's the builder. Boom! And that is the brand new D5 as the kid tries to run his TTO2 off the table. But yeah, so there's the D5. Nice machine, suspension's nice, everything works great on it. Yeah, we stuck in some electronics we had. Unfortunately, we couldn't get a gyro for hers, but Bert, who is on his way, is coming, who built the other D5, and he's going to have his running with a gyro. And that is the RMX 2.0. So it's different setup, obviously. IFS suspension in the front on both, just the D5's got that linear suspension, whereas mine's got the stand-ups. I've got my gyro in mine, and I guess this is really the first time I've gone over mine. And then the back end, her motor sticks out way far. Mine's almost like it's in the rear, but it's kind of mid-rear, I guess you'd call it. I could switch the plate, have it up here if I really wanted, but for now it's running great. Both of these cars, awesome. So yeah, we're gonna get batteries put in them, get them all done up. As soon as Bert gets here, we'll start filming some of them running around and doing their thing. And yeah, we'll see how well she drifts. Hey guys, sorry about the short run. We're actually going to get a full run video in. I noticed the video was starting to get a little bit longer, so I didn't want to keep it running. So look forward to that running video coming out very soon. We'll have all three cars running, and hopefully we can actually get some tandems done, so you can see how well we're doing. Right now it's a little bit of practice, and hopefully we get her there. All right, hope you've enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next.